To begin the easy pose, put your right leg over your left with your heels pointed to the sky. Sit straight up, close your eyes, and take deep breaths and relax. To begin the cat and cow pose, start on your hands and knees. Inhale while raising your head so that your back becomes concave. Exhale while lowering your head, stretching your spine upwards. The hands should be lined with the knees. The arms and thighs should be perpendicular to the floor. Repeat this 5 to 10 times. To perform the tree pose, stand straight and fold the right leg so it aligns with your inner thigh. Inhale and raise your arms up, keeping your palms together. Hold this position for about 10 seconds and then exhale and lower your arms and legs back to the starting position. Then repeat with the other side. To begin the camel pose, stand on your knees with your hands close to your thighs. Stretch your arms out and reach backwards with your hands slowly reaching the heels. Push your hips forward and lean backwards. Hold this position for as long as you can. Then release the pose, slowly moving into the child's pose.